all done.
Are you all done? You don't. Should we put them away in the pail? You want to? Oh, look it. Oh, look it. Here, Kayla's taking us pictures. Should we put them away in the pail? Are you ready to do that?
Don't eat his hand. He needs that.
He needs that hand, yeah. Oh, and this poor guy fell apart. He just fell apart.
I need soup.
What do you need?
I need soup.
Soup?
Yeah.
Soup? Are you full tummy? Did she say soup?
I think she said soup. You said soup, right?
I have to go inside.
You have to go inside?
Yeah.
Should we put these away and then we'll go inside?
I have to.
Oh, you want me to take you inside? Is that what you want?
A hat.
Oh. Fit you perfectly. Perfect.
Look at me.
I'm looking at you. I'm looking at you. Are you having a good time? You keep the sun away from your face. Oh, sorry. I like it.